Hello friends, welcome back to Home Sense with Nell. Here on my channel I talk about home decor, DIYs, gardening, and other topics related to making your home your sanctuary on a budget. So today I was out pruning my cucamelon, and it occurred to me that a lot of people probably have never heard of a cucamelon or at least never seen one. So I wanted to go ahead and share my plant with you guys. So as you can see, this is the cucamelon. And it's a vining plant that's related to cucumbers. It's a cucurbit. And you may have heard this called either a mouse melon or maybe a Mexican gherkin. And this is the fruit that we're talking about. It's a small, petite fruit. When it's fully mature, it's about the size of a grape. And it has these beautiful markings on the rind. One thing I like about the cucamelon is that it's a very vigorous grower. So I bought this plant as a little seedling from the hardware store, maybe about 4 inches tall, and I planted it in here. I just water it whenever it feels dry. I think I fertilize it with fish fertilizer about once a week or once every 10 days, and that's pretty much it. And as you can see, it's growing very well. And I actually picked this out from the store just because I thought it was cute. I'm going to be very honest. I saw the picture, I said, oh, that'd be cute, let's try it. So actually I'm going to go ahead and harvest one and share with you guys what it tastes like. I'm going to try to pick one that's heavy because I feel like that one might have more flavor and more liquid inside. Let me go ahead and wash it off. One more time since it fell. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and cut it so you can see what it looks like inside. It has lots of seeds and light green flesh. It actually looks really refreshing because it's very moist inside. Okay. So you're probably wondering what it tastes like, so I'll go ahead and do a taste test. Ooh. Seeds. Oh, I'm going to try another one too, but let me go get some more water. That one was very sour. Let me try another one and see if I can get a little bit sweeter taste. Oops. I'll try this big one right here. Oops. It's a little bit bigger. Watch out, dude. It's not yours. Okay, I'll just taste this one. Berry juice. Oh, wow. I like that one a lot. That has a very refreshing taste. It's a little tart, but a little sweet at the same time. Very good. Very good. So yeah, guys. Thanks for coming along with me on this short little journey to try out the cucamelon. If you like cucumbers, or if you like tart, refreshing tastes, maybe citrus, you probably would enjoy this. So if you see it in your local nursery, you might think about picking it up and bringing it home to your own garden. Thanks again for visiting Home Sense with Nell, where I talk about home decor, DIYs, gardening, and other things related to making your home your sanctuary on a budget. See you next time.